A fresh cup of coffee. You cannot go wrong with that. I had to make the coffee today. No one has made, no one took it upon themselves to go make coffee when they know everyone in this building, not everyone, but for the most part, everyone comes in and they want a cup of coffee. Okay. The coffee's free. They provide us with, we're lucky to have Starbucks coffee. We used to have this, I don't know, this off brand. It was so nasty. But we have Starbucks coffee that they offer us, and we fix it. Just two separate big pots. It look like they hold about a gallon of coffee. Um, but we make the coffee, right? No one took it upon themselves to go to the other side of the building to get coffee. So I went on and did it because I know everyone likes to drink coffee. I made a pot that was very strong because some people like their coffee very strong, and then I make it like how not like extremely weak and not too strong. I mean like in between. I like mine like that, to where it's not a little bit clear but not like dark. But anyway, got a fresh cup of coffee. Okay, let me get right into it. Oh, for you guys, okay, I'm going to put the link in the comment section. Anyone that, if you feel like you want to donate to my channel, this is the best way to donate to my channel. Okay, it's called Buy Me a Coffee link. There's gonna be a link right there, and that's the way you can just donate to my channel if you feel like you want to. Okay, no pressure. All right, let's get right into it. I haven't made a video in a while. I've just been sitting back and watching the market and I did make a trade on a couple of stocks and I took the profit. But I didn't really see anything that I really wanted to announce, but I made one today. Okay, so here we go. Here's my folder right here. I have 6 items in this folder right here. Let's go ahead, open it up, see what's inside, see what goodies we have. Okay, I was afraid this was going to happen. Okay, so this is one that I got in. Let me make my screen smaller. It's pulling back too. Okay, I think this is going to pull all the way back. I should have got out. Someone's at my door. Okay, so I don't know, this is gonna act really funny today, so I may have to get out of this. It's flashing up and down, flash. So I have 108 shares. My average is 43. I was up a lot this morning, but you know I can't trade until like 7, but I'm working and I can't keep trading while I'm working. So I have 108 shares. My average is 43. I'm up 12%. I was up like way more. Like if you look at the chart up here, go back over. I was up way up here, right? And then yesterday, or on this day, I was up even more. Okay, but I want to keep an eye on it because this is like very interesting to me. Like it was down here. If it pulls back, if it starts pulling back very strongly, I can easily see it going down. Like if it goes below 49, let me see, 49. Like if it drops, I kind of have a feeling that it's going to probably drop to like 33, 35. If it can't hold that, it's going to drop down here, okay, to this 31, 30. And then if it can't hold 30, it's going to slip all the way down, okay? And it may come all the way back down here to 17 or 18 for a while. But I do want to keep an eye on this. I don't know. There's something about this stock that I just want to kind of keep an eye on, because here's the PO. I think the PO price was less than that, but I'm not sure if they had a lot of reverse splits or not. Maybe 1 or 2, but it doesn't appear that way. It appeared like maybe 1, and then they had this nice run up here, right? This could have been where they had a reverse split or something like that up in this area. Is very possible because they came down here and they were like trading in like thin water down here below $1, and then it popped up here, it tanked, and it popped up again. And when I seen this, I was like, this is very interesting. So I got in it. Even if it pulls down even more, I may even end up buying more, okay? And it's getting real close. But anyway, so I have that. I definitely want to keep an eye on this, okay? Nvni. This one right here, this had a nice run up yesterday. Had a big pop up from 50 cent all the way up to $1.50. So you could have Like, come on now. Like, who says you can't make money in penny stocks? Just think about, like, if you would have bought, like, over here, you know, a bunch of shares at 50 cent, 56 cent, 60 cent, and then it popped up here to $1.51, you would have made up some money. So easy, okay? But like penny stocks, you always have to keep an eye on them because you never know what's going to happen. But the volume is where are we? Today's volume is 33 million. Oh, wait a minute. Let me go back. I need to see what the volume is. So this volume right here is at 4 million. Okay, so it's kind of low. Right here it's 34 million, and it's still going up. Keep an eye on this, guys, because I think something's going on with this stock, and it's probably just going to keep going up as long as it doesn't fall back below $1. Okay. I'm just going back looking at the charts. Okay. Looked like they had a reverse split over here or something. They had some bad news and it tanked down. It got below $1, and they traded at, yeah, they came real close to $1 over here, and it just stayed here for a month, and then just yesterday it popped up above $1. So hopefully they can maintain that dollar above $1 for like 10 consecutive days, and then they can get they can apply for to be, you know, they will get taken out of this right here from the stock market. They can be back compliant. But let's keep an eye on this one, okay? Because it's trying to make some moves. Let's go ahead to the next one. I added this. I'm not in it. It's up 99%. I'm not going to jump in it because it's, for me, it's too far gone. It doesn't look bad, but I'm not in it. Okay, it's just something I added on, and it's an ADR. So, and here's the description of an ADR if you want to see it right there. Okay, got it. Okay, and the volume is at 128 million right now. Let's go to the next one. BLMZ. This one caught my eye too because it was down here at 17, and then it went to 31, and I think it's going to try to push to 50 cent. Let me turn this off. I think it's going to try to push the 50 cent mark. Okay, 40 and then 50 cent, and if it can get past where we're at, let me go. I need to go back. Where's it at? Where did I see that at? It said 32. Okay, so it needs to get past 34 and then 37, and then hopefully up here to this 40. Okay, I think it's probably going to try to get really close to this 40. Cut that off, and yeah, let's keep an eye on that. The volume's at what is it? 22 million right now, and the average. Let's see what the average volume. This is from Tokyo. So the average volume is at 20. It's already past the, yeah, average volume is only 4 million. So it's way past. So something's going on with this. Let's keep an eye on that. And that's a Tokyo stock. This one's down. I just added to my list. It's only like 7 million, but it's down right now. And it's possible they could go back up and try to get back up to like 70. Okay. 69 or 70. Where did I see that at? 68. Okay, 68, 69. Yeah, I think it's gonna push 70. Yeah, I think it's gonna try to get back up here. Okay, really close to the $1 mark. It's just my opinion. I'm not in it. Yeah, I'm not in this one, but it's just on my list. Okay, volume is kind of low. This one right here, I added this to my list. It's very, very low. Like, this is probably going to get delisted. How much money do they have? The market cap is like, what, 81,000? Is that 81,000? Yep, 81,000. And they're like, look like they're running out of money. Let me see. They had a lot of reverse splits. So be cautious on this. I mean, it could pop. This one could pop up. You know, a little pop and you make some money. But look at it. For 3 months, it just came down, down, down. For a year, it was up here at one point, and it just started treading down, down. It's just been going down ever since, and they're just losing money. Okay. So keep an eye on that. But if it does run up, I mean, you can make a little bit of money, but I doubt it. I doubt it very seriously. And that's it, guys. This one I added because it was down on the 52-week low. It's just down, and I added this because sometimes there's some stocks that are at this 52-week low, and then all of a sudden they pop back up, try to make a run up. So keep an eye on that. I may put a little bit of money in here. You know what? I think I got like $1 or something. Let's see if I got some. Do I got anything left? Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this. I'm just going to put this in, even though it's just small change, right? You never know. So I'm going to go ahead. So I get 177 shares. So let's 177. Let's see if it'll take it. If it doesn't, I'm going to take this down to 176. Hit review. Oh, I need to go lower than that. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and buy that, right? Pending. Okay. So I got it. Was I ever in this? Yeah. Buy. Yep. I bought 2 here and I bought 1. Okay. So I have, where is it at? Where is my shares at? I'm trying to find my shares. Where is it at? Because I just bought it. Or is it pending? Is it? Oh, I must have, did I switch over? Yeah, I did. I swiped the wrong way. Okay, so I have 177 shares. My average is 0.0093, and it's already up like 0.37%. So let's see what this does, okay? It said it's 52-week low. I'll take a chance on that little bit of money. That's all I had over there anyway. All right, but that's it, guys. I wanted to make this a quick video to see where we are. And this one's still pulling down. I may have to get out of this and take my money out. Oh, no, it's up. Okay. But let's keep an eye on this one. Nvni. I want to keep an eye on that one. And the other one that I definitely want to watch. Not definitely like you should get in, but I just want to see what it does. Okay. Is this one Gnln. Okay. And then these other ones we're going to want to keep an eye on to see what they do. Especially this one right here, the software, Martin software. Yeah. Keep an eye on that one also. But that's it, guys. I have to go. Finished drinking my coffee. Got me a little muffin here that I'm going to eat. And then I got to go back to work. But let's keep an eye on the market. Guys, the most important thing is to learn the stock market, okay? Like I said in the past, I'm not a stock guru, but I am trying to learn it, so when it's time for me to retire, I can still make money. Or before that, I can still make money. I want to get very, very, very good at this, okay? Not good to where, I mean, I do want to read charts at some point, but I'm not into charts like that, okay? I look at other things, okay? Everyone has their own strategy. I have mine, everyone else has theirs. But that's it, guys. I have to get out of here. I'll see you next one. Take care. Peace.